down, scoundrels, for I come bearing good news. There's a mysterious fourth Brian Brushwood book test coming, and for one very simple reason. It's going to be better than the other three combined. Don't tell the other three, though. They're sensitive about that kind of thing. If you're out of the loop, let me catch you up to speed. Some of you guys know that there's something called a book test, a type of magic trick that is personally my very favorite mind-reading game of chess that's out there. I came up with my own version that I toured with for a long time, and then I released it just to the highest end of magicians. In fact, here's what it looks like performed on the Today Show.
One, it's a shine-in. My show takes place in a hotel.
Yep.
Second one is Da Vinci Code. It's a mystery. And the third one, of course, obviously,
a magician.
Right. So, Kathy Lee, I'd like you to choose a book.
I'm going to pick The Shining.
Perfect. There's about 454 pages.
Yeah.
And on each page, there's
hundreds of words.
Hundreds of words. I'd like you to take the book.
Okay.
I'd like you to open it to any page you want at all. And I want you to think of a big word, a really big word, something juicy.
Like gargantuan.
Right.
Can I help her?
Okay. You can help her.
No, no. I don't like that one. It's not good. Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay, remember it. Don't say it. Close the book. But you saw all the words were different, right? You could pick anyone, but you had one.
I almost forgot it.
Okay. I want you to think of just the first letter of that word. I want you to think of the first letter. I want you to think of an animal that begins with the first letter. An animal that begins with the first letter.
You just
Don't say it out loud.
Oh.
It's okay. Okay, you already said tiger, so that's fine.
Okay.
I won't try to guess that. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to guess the whole word. Think of the whole word right now. I wrote something down on this piece of paper.
Okay. Yes.
Yes or no? Is that your word?
No. You knew it started with a T.
I did. But this actually means something.
Oh.
Earlier on in the day, I had a friend write something down on a piece of paper, sort of as a prediction. And I had him bring it here. Would you be impressed if your word was written on a sign outside?
We'd be flabbergasted.
Is that your word?
Well, it is. It is kind of.
I know that's not that impressive, but I want you to keep looking at the sign.
Okay.
For the first time, what was the word you were thinking of?
Thunderstruck.
Thunderstruck.
Wow. Jaws dropping.
We were the only two who knew it.
In the whole world.
It is a very, very good magic trick, which is why it has only been performed by the most elite performers in all of magic. And I don't just mean on stage. I'm talking about the high-end enthusiast who's a billionaire neuroscientist during the day and magician wizard by night. Probably doesn't solve many crimes that way. The point is, after 20 years, I'm ready to take another crack at it. Because as good as this book test is, there is one fatal flaw. Magicians know it exists. The perfect book test would have all the features of these three books and the shrouded mystery of nobody knowing which book it is. So to make the mysterious fourth Brian Brushwood book test truly special, I intend to never speak its name aloud. That's right, I will never cop in public as to which one the actual book is. And even better, I'm gonna make it very easy for everybody to provide evidence of all the books it's not. Most of you know that the first three books in the book test are regarded as best in breed. This one will be more special because it will be under the radar, because it will be a mystery. So here's what we're gonna do. It's coming this fall, and if you want to secure your reservation, head on over to perfectbooktest.com. For $25, not only do you secure your reservation, but you get an instant download right now, revealing what the actual book is, revealing all the inner details on the three totally separate effects that you can pull off with it, explaining the entire system, and when you see how good an idea it is, you get to participate in the cover-up with a disinformation kit. It takes about an hour to unpack everything, and it's a lot of fun. You're gonna dig the video no matter what. Truly, every single detail is spilled. You get it right now, and you get to secure your spot in line by heading on over to perfectbooktest.com. 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 You keep on saying it. Perfectbooktest.com. I don't know where that went. It's everything you've ever wanted to know about the Brian Brushwood book test, but we're afraid to ask. And also a secured spot in line for the next one, which will be mysterious. Take care, scoundrels.